Well, hey everybody, my name is David, GF Holmesy Diamonds in downtown Little Rock. I'm a certified gemologist through GIA in the downtown Little Rock, Arkansas area. And today I had these color change gemstones come across my desk and they looked really beautiful. And I had a feeling they were either alexandrite or color change sapphire, could have been color change garnet. But through further identification, we were able to figure out what they were. And if you stay tuned, you'll find out.
Well, all right, here are our gemstones. They are beautiful. They have blue, purple, kind of a color change mix. Let's take a closer look. Here's the gemstone in LED light, kind of a purplish blue color, depending on how the light hits it. Very nice color change. Let's take it over to the incandescent light. We have more of a pink. Oh, I just dropped it. Happens. Pick it back up. We got more of a pink, red, purple going on in incandescent light. Truly a beautiful stone. Take it over to the microscope and table. We can see that we have natural inclusions. We have clouds, crystals, feathers, a lot going on the top. So we'll flip it over to the side. Table, girdle, and pavilion. The table we can see that is pretty included. The pavilion we see that it's really not. It's actually pretty clear straight through. We can also notice that the girdle is kind of a greenish color, which is interesting. That's another indication of assembled. And we take it over to the refractometer where we're seeing a dividing line at 1.77 indicating sapphire. Take it back to the microscope to notice that we actually have a little chip on the girdle. That little chip is indicating that the bottom is much lower hardness than the top. Then we take it back to the refractometer where we're going to test the pavilion side, not table side, and we have a different reading. We actually don't have a reading now anymore, which indicates that it is not sapphire, which shows us it could be assembled.
Well, all right, that was pretty cool. We were able to identify the gemstone through gemological reasoning, through microscope, through refractive index and refractometer. We were able to identify it as sapphire and glass doublet assembled stone, where the top being natural, the bottom being glass. And the reason for that was through the microscope. We were able to identify that the top was actually natural, and we were able to find a dividing line between them. We validated our finding through the refractometer, finding two different refractive indexes. And we came to the conclusion that we have a doublet assembled gemstone. So although it appeared color change from the top, we were able to identify it as an assembled stone. So be careful what you're buying. And I hope this was educational for you. If you want more educational videos on gemstone buying, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.